Okay, in this video we will learn about the word spacing in CSS. So let's go to the documentation of word spacing and let's see what it is. So this is the documentation on MDN and the name suggests it is the word spacing, so it will add or remove space from the words. Basically, it will add or remove space from in between the words. Okay, so as you can see, if I do something like one rep, so it is a little bit more spaced out, 4 pixel and so on and so forth. It can be negative as well. So let's see it in action. So let's go to our code. Okay, and here I will remove this italic one from this paragraphs, and let's do word spacing of, let's do something like normal at first. And if we go here, it is quite normal, which is expected. So let's do something like 20 pixel. So now our words are a little bit spaced out. Basically, the space between the letters are not changed, but the space between the words has changed and it is increased by 20 pixels, which we have set. So let's go to the code editor once again and let's see what will the negative 20 pixel will do. If I just do here, and now our words are overlapping with each other. This might be useful in some cases, but I usually do not use that very often. Anyways, so let me just go here, and for the word spacing I will add something like 6 pixel, something like this. Okay, and if I go here, it is a little bit more spaced out. So this is the word spacing in CSS.